Aldridge.
We are here today to learn this incredible song, Let It Go. Get your guitar out and get it ready because we are going to be doing some fun work today.
You can do this! Woohoo! Yes! It's easy peasy! Oh!
So first, we're going to learn the notes to the intro and we're going to do a slow version. So just follow along, learn the notes, and then once we've done this, then try and play along with the faster version.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
Now we're going to learn the notes to the verse. So again, just follow along. Let's learn the notes and then at the end we'll do a slightly faster version. I'm just going to jump in really quickly here. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell, and this gives you a notification when I post more videos just like this. This also helps me to know what videos you like the most, so I can create more videos like this one. Just really quick, we have more Disney tutorial videos just like this from Moana, Coco, The Lion King, and the link to the entire playlist is in the description of this video. Well done, you're doing great. We're up to the bridge. So we're going to learn the notes of the bridge and then again a faster version at the end. Now we've arrived at the chorus, the most famous part of the song. So again, we're just going to learn the notes and then there's going to be a faster version right at the end. And I recommend also going back to the beginning of this video because I play the song from start to finish. So you can see how the intro, the verse, the bridge and the chorus all connect together. As we continue to spread the word about guitar learning, please share this video with anyone who could learn from me. Share this video with at least 3 people who you know this would potentially benefit, and you are making a huge contribution by doing that. Lots of people struggle with this initial beginner guitar learning. They are struggling to learn their first song. They are struggling to feel confident about it. They are trying to learn guitar to play, let's say, for mum and dad or grandma's party. Or they are trying to get people to believe in them and cheer them on. Some people try and quit from time to time, and by not moving forward, that can really hurt all of us, our motivation, our self-esteem. Every time we quit something, our brain keeps a log, and whether we know it or not, we can slowly start to lose confidence and self-belief in our ability to learn to play the guitar. In my teaching and my online courses, I play role of teacher and also coach, helping people to develop who they are, really in the face of challenges. That really defines their success in the world. The coach is speaking to the honouring of words and actions, and the teacher is showing a really powerful approach and systematic approach to learning to play the guitar. If you are still watching me, then this is for you. If you'd like to learn more from me, I'd love to have you in my #1 course, Guitar Start in 30 Days. And I want to be with you and guide you through learning to play the guitar. We do lessons like this every day. From what I've been witnessing over 20 years of full-time teaching is the successful learn something new daily, and they feel inspired and motivated. The Guitar Start in 30 Days program is essentially only open 3 times a year for enrollments. And I've provided a link in the description for you to just go and take a look at. And if you can't get in now, you can always sign up for the waiting list and be notified when the enrollment reopens. I'm David, and I appreciate you being here today right from my heart and taking the time out of your busy day and doing this work, this really important work with me. I hope that you get better and more confident in yourself today, in your learning. Take care, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Let your light shine.